Good evening, students. In this today discuss the topic is mechanics. In this mechanics, students, the mechanics in our day-to-day life, some objects are motion, some objects are rest position. Okay, in this some objects, the first is rest position, some force is applied on the object will be continue in motion. Okay, in these topics, the discuss is mechanics part. This is the one of the physics part, that is the mechanics. In this mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of motion of objects in our day-to-day life, in consideration some forces acting on it. In this mechanics can be classified into two types. The first one is kinematics, the second one is dynamics. Kinematics, second one is dynamics. The first one, the kinematics. The kinematics is a branch of physics, a branch of mechanics, which deals with the study of motion of objects in our day-to-day life without consideration the forces acting on it. Without any force acting on it, that is the kinematics. In this kinematics, students, in this one is very important, the kinematics. In this kinematics, the kinema means motion. Tics is science. So totally kinematics is a motion science. The motion science. In this motion means simply say that moving a particle. In our day-to-day life, students, okay, some objects are moving. For example, a car is moving on a straight line, and a bus is moving on a straight road, and a train is moving on a straight railway track. Okay, these are the motion. Okay, for example, student, in this motion, imagine you are traveling by a bus. Your position compared to with respect to surroundings of the bus, such as the trees, bushes, hills, mountains, etc. With respect to tree, your position will be motion. In this motion means simply say that change in position with respect to surrounding of a given time taken. This is the motion. For example, a car is moving on a road. A bus is moving on a road. Okay, these are so many examples are there in motion. This is the motion means a change in position with respect to time taken, that is motion. Okay, in this kinematics, another very important term, that is rest. rest. For example, blackboard will be rest position. The wall also rest position. The rest position means not moving, not simple say that not moving. So not moving means not change in position, not change in position with respect to time taken, not change in position with respect to time taken, that is the rest position. Okay, for example students, for example, okay, this is a bus. The bus is moving on a straight road. When one passenger, that passenger name is A. That passenger name is A. In this person A position with respect to with respect to inside the bus. Inside the bus means roof of the bus, and with respect to co-passengers. With respect to co-passengers, that person A is said to be rest position. That person A is to be rest position. This is the rest position. Next, the motion and the rest are the two are different terms. Different terms. These two are opposite terms. The motion and rest are relative terms. Motion and rest are relative terms. Relative means different terms. Motion and rest are different terms. For example, imagine you are traveling by a bus. Your position, so compared to with respect to surroundings of the bus, outside the bus, like trees, bushes, hills, mountains, houses also. With respect to house, your position is motion. With respect to mountain, your position is motion. With respect to any vehicle, outside the vehicle, your position is motion. And rest means if you are travel by a bus, your position compared to inside the bus, that is windows of the bus and roof of the bus, and with co-passengers, the co-passengers in a bus, with respect to co-passenger, your position is rest position. With respect to window, your position is rest position. With respect to roof of the bus, your position is rest position. This is the motion and rest are relative terms. Relative means different terms. And in our day-to-day life, so many vehicles, vehicles and objects are moving in different kinds of motion. For example, fan. When switch on the fan, the blades of the fan is moving in a circular path. That is one type of motion. Okay, next, a train is moving on a straight railway track. That is one type of motion. Next, a swinging pendulum is moving one type of motion. These are so many kinds of motion are there in our day-to-day life, our daily life. So many motions are there. The first one is a translatory motion. Translatory means a body, like this is the ball, this ball rolling on a smooth floor. So all particles, so in this ball is moving on a straight road, a straight path, a smooth path, is moving, continuous moving. So all particles of the ball is moving on a straight line with the same time and the same distance. That is called translatory motion. The motion in which all the particles of a body is moving through same time, same distance and same time and same time. For example, student, okay, Ramu, so one person, this person is Ramu. Ramu is moving from position A to position B. So moving from position A to position B. To reach position B, all parts of the Ramu's body is moving through same distance in same time. That is the translatory motion. Another example, a car moving on a straight road. That is also one of the example in a translatory motion. The next one is a translatory motion can be classified into two types. So rectilinear motion. Second one is curvilinear motion. So rectilinear means linear. Linear means straight line. Body is moving on a straight line. Body moving on a straight line. That is called rectilinear motion. For example, a car moving on a straight road, a train is moving on a straight railway track, a body is freely falling. This is also rectilinear motion. And the second one is curvilinear. Curvy means curved path, circular path, curved path. Okay, in this curvilinear means a body moving on a curved path. Body moving on a curved path. For example, a car is moving on a curved path. That is the curvilinear motion. Next, rotatory motion, rotatory or circulatory motion. Rotatory or circulatory motion. means the rotating, and circulatory, the circulating. Okay, a man is goes to ground, is running along a ground, around a ground, and he runs 3 rounds. He runs 3 rounds. He runs 3 rounds in a circular path. And this is the fixed axis. For example, fan, a ceiling fan. Switch on a fan. The blades of a fan, it will be moving along a circular path. That is said to be, the type of motion is called rotatory or circulatory motion. A body is moving on a circular path about its a fixed axis, a fixed point, about a fixed point, without change in its shape, that means not change its size and shape. For example, ceiling fan. Okay, this is the rotatory or circulatory motion. The next one is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion means oscillation. Oscillation means to and fro or back and forth along a same path without a change in its shape and size. That is called oscillatory motion. For example, simple pendulum. The simple pendulum is moving to and fro. Oscillatory motion. For example, simple pendulum. The simple pendulum is moving to and fro about its axis, without changing its shape and size. That is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion means simple say that to and fro along the same path without a change in its shape and size. That is called oscillatory motion. In this, one type of motion is there, that is a vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is one kind of oscillatory motion. In this vibratory motion means all vibrating particles, vibratory motion. For example, musical instruments like guitar, sitar, tabla, the drums also. Okay, in these are musical instruments. So to produce sound in this vibratory motion, the motion in which all the musical instruments, the change in its shape and size, that is up and down. up and down, that is the vibratory motion. For example, swing machine also is the needle is moving up and down, the needle is moving up and down, that is the vibratory motion. Swing a machine, this is one kind of motion. Vibratory motion is a one kind of oscillatory motion. The next one is random motion. So random motion means a body is moving or an object is moving in the change in direction also and change in motion also. That means for example, a mosquito, the mosquito is changing from one kind of motion to another kind of motion, that is the randomly is moving randomly, that is a random motion. For example, flying a kite also, a mosquito. These are the examples of random motion.